In this video, we will focus on how you can download PowerPoint files from the instructor companion site. So the first thing you want to do is go to login.cengage.com. So the URL is up here, login.cengage.com. And you're going to sign in with your username and password, which is basically your campus email address, and you can always click the forgot password if you don't recall it. Once you're signed in, you're going to be taken to the instructor resource dashboard, and from here you can click on the drop down menu to search for your book. If you don't see your textbook loaded, you can easily type in the ISBN or the author name or the title in this search field here in order to add the textbook to your instructor resource center. So I already have the Solomon biology textbook added, and what you would do is click on the instructor companion site. And this is going to take you out to the book companion site, and from here you can locate the different test banks or PowerPoint files. You can see up top you have the chapter level files here. You can always jump to another chapter by clicking on this drop down menu, or you can also see that there are book resources down here. So if I wanted to see the book resources or all of the PowerPoints for the entire text, I would click on PowerPoint Lecture Tools under Book Resources. Typically, when you click on this, you have to read and accept the license agreement. And from here, you're going to be able to locate the different PowerPoint files. So these files are rather large because they do contain animations for this particular text. So they are zipped into one file for 10 chapters. For example, here are the PowerPoint files with lectures and animations for chapters 1 through 10. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link to the zipped file, and then it's going to download to my computer. So if you're using Google Chrome or I think Internet Explorer, those typically download in the lower left-hand corner, whereas Firefox, you'll see your downloads in the upper right-hand corner. These files are pretty big, so they can take some time to download. Once that file is downloaded, you have to extract the files from that folder because it's so large and the files are compressed. So here is the download here from earlier, and I'm just going to highlight it and click extract. So basically it's taking everything in that folder and opening it up so that I can be able to read or view those files. So here's that same extracted file now, or extracted zip file. I'm going to double click into it, and here are the different chapters. You also want to extract the individual chapter file, so I'm just going to highlight it, click on extract, and now I can go into this chapter 1 zip file, and here's my chapter 1 folder. I recommend that you copy or move this folder to like your desktop or wherever you typically save your files, and you can do that by right clicking on it, and you can either say copy to or move to. I like to copy to, so I'm going to copy this to, let's say, my desktop. I'll click OK. So now when I go to my desktop, here's that chapter 1 folder. I'm going to double click on it, and here's my PowerPoint right here. So you can easily modify or make changes to this PowerPoint by clicking on Enable Content. If you find that you get hung up on this process, you can always reach out to your Cengage representative or reach out to Cengage support, and we can always walk you through this process.